Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add an echo effect to text in Canva. So echo is similar to shadow, except the shadow is sharper, and also you could see multiple shadows of that particular text. This is one text box that I applied the echo effect, and as you can see, there are multiple shadows for this text, and it's creating the depth or the echo effect for this text. So here's how you can apply that effect to any text in Canva. I'm going to move on to the second page, which has the same text except the background is black. So what you can do is you have to select the text, or you can also select multiple text boxes if you want. And after that, after the text is being selected, you can go to effects and you want to enable the echo effect right here. And this is the result. The offset is kind of the distance between the echo and the original text. So the higher number, the farther it's going to be. And also the direction is like the angle of the shadow. So there could be multiple options. I think I'm going to set it to be around here. The color is the color of the echo itself. You could select any color. It could be colorful, it could be black, white, anything. And I'm going to use the color to be green. I think it looks really cool, or maybe red. It looks really cool too. So anyway, that's exactly how you can add an echo effect to text in Canva.